In 2026, a major shift is reshaping the world of AI assistants as Gemini officially replaces Google Assistant, marking a bold new era in smart technology. Powered by advanced generative AI, Gemini is no longer just a voice assistant, it's a fully intelligent digital companion capable of understanding context, emotions, and complex requests. Whether you're managing your daily schedule, controlling your smart home, or creating content on the go, Gemini delivers faster, smarter, and more personalized responses than never before. This transformation signals a huge leap forward in how humans interact with technology. What makes Gemini truly revolutionary is its deep integration across devices and apps, allowing seamless multitasking and real-time assistance like never before. Imagine planning a trip, writing emails, and generating images, all through one unified AI experience. As Google phases out Assistant, users are stepping into a future where AI doesn't just respond, it thinks, suggests, and collaborates. The question now isn't whether Gemini is better. It's whether you're ready for this powerful AI upgrade.